Hello everyone! Today we present Intelligent Operation Guide for the Lango Technology EXP digital pump. This pump integrates intuitive manual control with multiple smart modes, making precise dosing effortless. In manual mode, you can directly use the up and down keys on the screen to adjust the flow rate in real time. Press the start and stop key to start or pause the pump with one click. It's simple and direct. The status light shows the pump's condition: yellow for standby, green for running, red for alarm. Multi-function manual hub. Press the manual key once to instantly access the core mode selection interface. Here, you can seamlessly switch between 5 functions: manual, pulse, analog, RS485, and calibration. One-touch calibration function to ensure long-term measurement accuracy. We've designed a streamlined calibration process. Select the calibration icon from the menu. The pump will default to performing 100 dosing cycles. Please prepare measuring tools like graduated cylinder or scale beforehand. After collecting the actual output volume, input the actual value via the screen keys and confirm. This completes the precise calibration. It's simple and reliable. Precise pulse control. Select pulse mode and press enter to set the dosing amount per pulse. Use the up and down keys to adjust the flow value corresponding to a single pulse, then confirm by pressing enter. The pump will now enter pulse control mode. Now let's start the pump. As I adjust the pulse signal, you can clearly see the pump's dosing speed and the real-time value displayed on the screen, responding synchronously and changing with precision. Intelligent analog control. Enter analog mode to set the flow rate corresponding to the 4 to 20 mA analog signal. Typically, 4 mA corresponds to the 0.0 liters per hour. Press the right arrow key to enter the setting for the flow value at 20 mA. And using the up and down keys to set the maximum dosing value it represents. After confirmation, enter the control mode and start the pump. Now, by adjusting the current output from the signal generator, the pump's dosing speed follows linearly, and the on-screen value changes smoothly accordingly, achieving perfect process control. Equally convenient is the RS485 mode. Through this interface, you can easily integrate the pump into a central control system for remote start and stop, flow rate setting, and status monitoring. Its high level of integration makes it ideally suited for automated production lines. Beyond these core features, the EXB digital pump also includes practical functions such as low-level stop, alarm output, interlock emergency stop, and 4 to 20 mA output, comprehensively meeting your diverse needs. The Lango Technology EXB digital pump combines simple operation with intelligent control, making it your ideal partner for precise fluid handling.